everybody, welcome back. Today I have a Glamour jewelry subscription bag. I got a 3-month subscription and this is the 3rd month. So I like to give at least 3 months to companies I've never tried before to see if I like it. And so far I've liked it. I'll link the other videos. Wait a minute. Right up there? Up there? Up there? I'll link the other videos so you can see what I got in my first 2 bags. So, this is the card that came in the bag. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. I forget the price, but I'll list it up here. Spring is in the air. Hope you're staying safe, home, healthy. Okay. So, that's the card. And the jewelry comes in this cute little gray velvet pouch. And a lot of the times you'll get a necklace, a bracelet, and some earrings. And I believe you can choose what color of metal that you like, and I put surprise me or rotate. Alright, so these earrings are kind of cute. It looks like I've got gold. Yes, Jackie?
When you get earrings, do you put them in that little stand in the bathroom
I do. Alright, check out these earrings. They're cute. They've got little tassels on them, little pink tassels. And it looks like, what do you call that? Starts jewelry. What's that? The D word.
Jewelry.
This little bumpy, anyway, I'll look it up and show. And that is so cute.
Jewelry.
Tassels are really in, and so is the little texture up here. So those are cute, and they're not too big. I like those. Okay, we'll set those aside. Let me find, they have little cards that tell about the jewelry. I have to find the right one. Necklace, earrings. Okay, so these are Melrose earrings. These lightweight tassel earrings showcase gorgeous druzy stone, making these the ideal accessory to dress up your outfit for the day or evening. And they're $27 in the Laurel and Rose collection.
That's sort of the high price.
I really like those. Those are pretty. Okay, and next, let's look at the bracelet neck. This is the bracelet. Oops. It's a little kinky. Oh, I just broke it. Oh my goodness. I didn't pull that hard. Oh.
I can probably fix it.
No, it's not fixable.
Oh.
But this is what it was supposed to look like. It's got the teardrops, diamond-like stones. I can't believe that. I don't know how that broke. Here, this is how it broke. It was welded to, oops. It was welded to this little stone, and it broke off. So let me read about it. So maybe a little bit of a quality issue with that one. This is called the Sunset Boulevard bracelet. It embodies simple, delicate, and dainty look that is timeless yet trendy. Pair this with a cuff and wear the gorgeous bracelet solo. Both looks are sure to please. $26. Yeah. It's the Ashland Avenue collection. I just broke $27. All right, and last but not least, the necklace.
Oh, it looks good. It looks good.
It's pretty. This is the Rosalind necklace with a modern bar silhouette. Rosalind necklace is ideal everyday necklace to layer or wear on its own. A beloved style you'll adore the elegance of this piece to complement any outfit. And this is the Narcissist collection. And it values for $26.
I think you meant to say you.
It's kind of a short silhouette, and I do believe this is rose gold now that I'm looking at it. It's kind of hard to tell with the lights blaring in my eyes, but it hangs about right there. Yes, Jack?
I think so too.
That's pretty. I like that. It doesn't really match what I'm wearing, but I like that.
Yeah.
Alright, so a little bit of a review. Excuse the swatches from earlier. This is the bar necklace. It's kind of like a rose quartz in there. And the necklace the bracelet that I broke. And then the cute little earrings. I really like the colors of this, and it's just a shame about the bracelet. Yes.
Was that it?
So thank you for joining me to see what was in this month's Glamour jewelry box. Do you think I should keep this another 3 months? What do you guys think? Is it worth the price even if one piece breaks? We'll see. Before I let you go, I do have a bonus unboxing. I had forgotten to unsubscribe to my Darn Good yarn. I had showed this in a yarn with several different other yarn boxes a while back. But I got another one, so I thought I would show you. This was, you get one skein of yarn every month and a goodie. This goodie, it's
Corn?
a bag for your needles or your hooks.
It looks like corn.
It's got this, it kind of looks like corn, but it's supposed to be paisley, I think. And it's a linen bag. It says Darn Good Yarn on the front. And this is the yarn that came. It's very bright. Green and purple and pink.
Like a strange rainbow.
And you just get one of them, like a strange rainbow. And it says, it's called Darn Good Fancy Twist Yarn in Pink Flamingo. It's recycled silk. And as always, you get a pamphlet that has information about the yarn, but also a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern. Looks like for little pouches, or you can knit a crochet or knit headbands. So that's kind of neat. You don't get much yarn, but it does come with a pattern for that amount of yarn. I wasn't real crazy about the color. I liked the color of the one earlier one last month better. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you later.